We provide high-quality vinyl flooring in Dubai. We have been in business for over 10 years and have successfully completed more than 100,000 jobs in this time. Our experience has led us to create a number of products that all offer the same high standards of quality and service. Our wide selection of vinyl flooring includes laminate flooring, vinyl tile, cork floor tiles, vinyl sheet flooring, vinyl plank flooring. Our company offers high-quality and durable vinyl flooring in Dubai for residential and commercial buildings. We offer a wide range of products to choose from, such as vinyl tiles, laminate floors, safety flooring, interlocking tiles, and many more. We offer the best quality vinyl floor coating at an affordable rate. It is designed in such a way that it can easily be applied on any type of flooring surface. Our vinyl floor coatings are designed to protect against scratches, spills and hazardous waste. We provide high-quality vinyl flooring in Dubai. Vinyl flooring is used in a lot of different places like offices, homes, and even hospitals. It is also environmentally friendly. There are many features to vinyl flooring that make it such a great option for your home or office.